Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming FaceTime is active on your device and signed in with your Apple ID. This lets calls route to your account. Once done, open the FaceTime app and tap Create Link to generate a shareable URL. Name the link so recipients recognize the call, then choose Share to send via messages, mail, or copy to clipboard. This first step is fast and lets you invite anyone who needs the meeting without scheduling hassles. After creating the link, you control how people join and what they see. That matters for privacy and smooth starts. Choose message or mail to send directly, or copy the link into a group chat or calendar event so it's easy to find. Make sure to set video and microphone defaults. Toggle off if you prefer waiting room-style entry. Also check camera choice on Mac or iPad and confirm your internet connection to reduce lag when many people join. When the time comes, tap the link to open FaceTime and enter the call. If you're hosting, admit participants and use mute or remove controls to manage noise. Once connected, switch to tile view or share your screen for presentations and pin the speaker if needed. If someone can't join, troubleshoot by confirming Wi-Fi or cellular data is active, force quit and reopen FaceTime, or resend the link. These steps fix most connection and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.